Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to go live on Instagram. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials and videos. Moving on to today's topic. If you want to go live on Instagram, there is the option to go live on Instagram. So just tap open your Instagram and then you have to swipe to right, then you will come over this camera over here, and at the bottom you can see the options. You can slowly move them right to left, and when you move swipe right, at the end you will see the live button. Once you press on the button above live, it will start the live on Instagram and you will be live videoing on the Instagram, and people who are following you on Instagram will be able to see you and watch you live on Instagram. And when you want to end your live session on Instagram, you again tap on the button and your live Instagram will be stopped. Therefore, in this way you can easily go live on Instagram and interact with your followers of Instagram. I hope this video was helpful to you guys and you have learned how to go live on Instagram. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, you can mention them to us in the comment section below.